Hi everyone, I'm back after a few months away from lock picking. In the vise I've got a screw-in cylinder with WKS branding on it. No key for it. I believe it's a 5-pin lock. Let's see if we can't single pin pick this open using this tension tool on the open side and picking using this hook. Start at the back. Bit of a dirty lock this, I think. I feel not quite as free in there as it might be. Nearly there, I think. Feels like it wants to go. One more pin somewhere. It's cheating a bit. Dragging the pick like that. Feel like there's just one pin is slightly amiss. I'm going to use this worm rake just to free that up. There we go. It's sort of picked open, I guess. I guess open is open. Let's try it just with the worm rake. Maybe I didn't need to bother with all that single pin picking. Yeah, I should have just gone for the worm rake. So yeah, no security pins in there, as far as I can tell. Unlikely that it would zip open like that anyway. Anyway, it's nice to be back, and thank you for watching.